Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Gator Man in Georgia on the SR-497. Gator Man got you ready to go, as well as a high upgraded power wire upgrade, audio mods, power mods, electrolytic caps, regulator, finals, etc. So we're going to start with the RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. Got set at 3 watts, plenty low if you decide to run an amp. 30 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello audio. 60 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello. 148 PEP. Alright, my friend, we're ready to get it out to you. It's ready to go, repaired. There's your volume. It's all working good and everything. So we'll get it out to you from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.